I'm Joy. Welcome to Thai with Joy. Today I want to teach you 10 dining utensils you can find on your dining table. And so if you're ready, let's start. Before we talk about 10 words you can find on the dining table, I want to tell you what we call a restaurant in Thai. It is called ร้านอาหาร It is one word in 3 syllables. I would like to repeat it again slowly. ร้านอาหาร I want to repeat it again the last time. ร้านอาหาร I hope this one is not that difficult for you. Okay, let's start with 10 dining utensils I want to teach you today. The first one is a spoon and a fork. Typically in Thai, we have our meal with a spoon as the main tools, but we use the fork as a helper to push food into your spoon. In Thai, a spoon is called a ช้อน It is very easy for you to start pronouncing this word with shaw and gradually rising your tone a little bit higher. Again, ช้อน Try this again, repeat after me one last time. ช้อน Very good. Let's move on to the next one. A fork or ซ่อม in Thai. Is this word we pronounce with the S sound as you have in English, but make it a little bit longer, and it is a falling tone. Try this together. ซ่อม Do it again. ซ่อม Very good. Next one, we also have a knife on the dining table. For international food, a knife, or in Thai it is called มีด Is it the M sound? I will give you one example so that you can pronounce it easier. It's like when you say meat in English, but meat ends with the T sound. A knife or meat in Thai, you change the T sound to the D sound. Make it long like this. Meat. Very good. Try it one more time. Meat. Next, I would like to focus about this word, a plate or จาน in Thai. It is very easy for you because it is the mid tone and you pronounce it with J sound. One more time about a plate in Thai. Okay, it is จาน Easy, right? Try again one last time for this word. จาน You can do it. Very good. Okay, next one that I want to talk about is a cup or ถ้วย It is the T sound, and I think you can make it easy than other words in Thai. ถ้วย Listen again and let's practice together. ถ้วย That's great. I will move on to the next one. This one, a glass, or in Thai it is แก้ว แก้ว It is not the K sound K, or it's not the G sound G in English, but it is in between K and G. We pronounce it like this. I will show you how to. First, try making these sounds. K. Again, K. And say this out. แก้ว You don't have this vowel in English, but I think you can make it when you practice more and more. Let's do it again. แก้ว One last time. Do your best, okay? แก้ว You can go back and practice this word more as you like. I would like to focus on some spices that you can find on the dining table, salt and pepper. Actually, typically in Thai we don't have both salt and pepper on our dining table, but we usually have some fish sauce served in a small bowl. Okay, let's move on to this one, this word, salt in English. We called it เกลือ in Thai. It's like when you say this word, glue in English, Glue, same thing. We have this word, we use GL with เกลือ in Thai. Start saying from glue and make a little bit longer. All right, would you like to try? เกลือ Not hard, right? One last time. Try your best. เกลือ Excellent. How about this? This pepper, in Thai it is one word with 2 syllables. Okay, here it is. พริกไทย พริกThai. I don't think you have any problem saying the second syllable Thai because you already get used to it. But let's focus on the first syllable. It is พริก Again, พริก short vowel. You don't have to make it longer. Okay? Say these 2 syllables together. พริกไทย. If you want to be like a native Thai, say these 2 syllables quickly. พริกไทย. Try it one more time with pepper. พริกไทย. Thank you very much. Next is sugar or sweetener. We have only one Thai word for this item. It is น้ำตาล น้ำตาล means sugar or sweetener. The first syllable is น้ำ make it a long vowel. น้ำ and ตาล long vowels for both syllables. น้ำตาล. Let's try again. น้ำตาล. I think you need one more try. Okay? Listen again and practice saying this. น้ำตาล. Very great. Okay, we've come to the last word for today. This is a small word, but I think it is the most difficult thing that you can do in this video. It is a table in English, but in Thai we call โต๊ะ. It is not the T sound or the D sound, but it's in between T and D. To make this sound, you have to put or place your tip of your tongue right behind your teeth right here. โต๊ะ. Again, โต๊ะ. And your lips, you have to make it round. Look at me and try again. โต๊ะ. One more time for the last word. โต๊ะ. That's all 10 words that I already focused and talked about, things or items you can find on your dining table. Now it's time to sledge. I want to challenge you whether you can remember all 10 items that I mentioned in this video. Alright, are you ready for that? What is this? ช้อน and this ซ่อม how about this one มีด good job what is this alright จาน next what is this one excellent it's ถ้วย what is the Thai word for this objectแก้ว good job next can you tell me what it is in Thaiเกลือ this is pepper can you remember a Thai word for this พริกไทยHow about this sugar and sweetener? Tell me a Thai word for this one. น้ำตาล Good job. And one last question. What about a table in Thai? โต๊ะ Thank you very much. You did a very great job. Thumbs up for yourself. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video and please subscribe, ring the bell so that you won't miss any lesson from Learn Thai with Joy. See you next time. Bye.